It's a nice walk in Tel Aviv next to the sea. It's June 21, 2025. According to the media of a lot of the Arab media, Tel Aviv is gone. Nothing left from Tel Aviv. Then I want you to see that nothing left from Tel Aviv. It's so beautiful. That's it. It's a war between Iran and Israel. We are expecting a siren today, but the Israelis decided not to be afraid anymore. Then let me take you a little bit through that horrible, horrible place, mainly because I might get one of the balls into my head. I'm trying to avoid it. All right, he is doing it, and I'm on the way of it. Oops, whoa, good. Good. I always forget the name of that volleyball, mainly because it's I think a Portuguese one or Brazilian one, and for me it always sounds like patchouli. And this is the end of the year, end of the whatever of Tel Aviv, and how should I say it in a nice way? Pro-terrorists will write me, all right, he's a liar. It's not from June 21. It's not Tel Aviv. What can I say? I made a major mistake. I left my air-conditioned house, which I'm not using because it's too expensive now, and I moved to here. And the worst thing ever, beside the ball that might reach my body, beside that, it's hot. Then it's hot and humid. But remember, I need to walk something like 21,000 steps. Then the 21,000 steps begins now because I'm very close to my house. The Iranian tried to target the embassy, the US embassy. I know that they hit it, but I didn't see a lot of damage because, as you can see, a lot of it looked like more like a fortress, but the area around it, what can I say? Mostly, windows were broke. One of them, it's mine. But look at that. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Oh, dear terrorists. I'm kidding. I actually will pray for them, mainly because they need my pray. I'm gonna be soon in Jerusalem, then I will pray for them in Jerusalem, the capital of Israel. Listen to the sound. Jaffa is right there, on top of the small hill. Now, what will happen if the siren will be on? Then first of all, we will get 10 minutes, a message 10 minutes before. Hey. Then we will get 10 minutes, a message of 10 minutes before the siren, and probably the people will walk. I can't believe it! It's a very good friend of mine! I can't believe it! It's Ilana! 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 Oh, my God! Ilana! Now, Ilana is a good friend of mine. We actually working in an advertising agency like for years. And we are still very good friends. Oh, I'm dead. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, that is called matkot. And this is a thing, totally Israeli invention. I don't know if you are using it in your places, but here it is. Now, we cannot enter to the sea legally. But as you can see, people are entering to the sea legally, not legally. Beautiful, beautiful houses. And every house here is a potential shelter, bomb shelter. And if something will happen, I'm sure that they will actually go there. I saw Ilana. It's a small city. It's a small city. But Ilana is not only just another colleague. I know her family. She knows my family where we used to go when I had money. We used to go to holidays together. Such a beautiful place, isn't it? Then the lifeguard is not functioning. But as you can see, the people are entering, which is quite dangerous. But here we are. Here we are. I wonder if I will meet someone else. The reason I'm saying it is because I'm not so young, and most of the people that you actually can see here, except of Ilana and her friends, are young. Lots of them are students, maybe soldiers, on vacation. Another matkot, and I'm almost sure that they are more professional than the other couple. Or at least they look like. Oh, no, they're not so professional. No. Such a beautiful place, I must say. I don't know, I live 10 minutes from the sea, but I don't know, the last time that I entered to the sea was here in Tel Aviv, was years ago. Usually when I'm working, June, July, August, September, the busiest tourist month, then to reach the sea and to suffer from the sun, it's usually not me. Oh, they are good. They are good. I used to play, as a child I used to play with it a lot. Now this is dangerous, already hit by one of the matkot ball. But what I'm not gonna do for you, music. All right, that's gonna be a little bit dangerous. I'm between two matkots. No, he's good. He is good. He is very good. Whoa. Oops. Less. You can see better and better Jaffa. Jaffa was a very important place. It was built on the small hill. The idea of it is, and the hill is all right. Yeah, I must say that they are so united. If the Iran, Syria, Lebanon, Gaza thought that we are too weak to survive, I think the answer was think again. And this is so, guys, this is so beautiful. Then, oh well, but we are talking about Jaffa. Jaffa, it's on top of a hill, but it's artificial. Mainly because Jaffa was one of the most important locations in the world. Israel is a border between Asia, Africa, and Europe. If you wanted to occupy the world, you had to start from Israel. One of the major places that you had to start with was Jaffa. Then Jaffa is more than 4,000 years old city, and everyone occupied it and built their city on top of it. Then it's like layers of cities, city on top of a city on top of a city. For the Christians of us, St. Peter was there. For the Jews of us, this is the best port for the temple on the wood from Lebanon. Cedar wood to the temple came from there. Jonah, story of Jonah started being there. Then there's a lot of history for Christians and Jews in that beautiful city. Remember Tabitha, Simon the Tanner. I do have so many videos about it. You don't need me to talk about it in that beautiful naked video. But that's why Jaffa is kind of a artificial hill. You can see that they try to block the entrance to the sea, but as you can see, it didn't help them. They took a video of one of the sirens in the sea somewhere here, and you could see that the people actually went out of the sea, walked slowly. This is the Royal Beach Hotel and the other hotels, and entered to the shelter. Ah, it's so nice. It was so nice to meet Ilana. We gain a little bit weight, mainly because it's like guilty pleasure. If we cannot enjoy life now and we are not working a lot, and you know, siren, we didn't sleep well, the best thing to do for her and for me, because we are like twins, is to eat sweets. Guys, oh, so American. A little bit of America in Israel. Then, but you know what? It's worth it, because I cannot do a lot. The siren will be siren. Israel will bomb their missiles, most of them in the air, but some will fall and they will create a lot of damage, because it's not like the Gazan terrorists. It's a country with better missiles. The effect can be very wide. Remember but it's like a few weeks before my birthday, then I'm wishing that the war will end with the defeat of Iran before July 8th. Then I will be able to celebrate together with my friends to celebrate my birthday. I deserve it. And tourists, the minute the war will end, come and visit me and use me as a tour guide. I'm sure that you already subscribed to my channel. Then please don't forget to, you can ask me whatever you want. I will try to answer as many questions. Or just tell me that you saw that video. I'm not working. Now I can say that there's only one tourist that I'm meeting. He is a Christian a guy who stays in Tel Aviv, and he's got 3 more days to be here. And because he actually knows a lot of Christian theology, and I'm good with it as well, then we are traveling. The video of Jerusalem that you can watch now, it's started now. That video is about him and me. Alright guys, I'm sweating as hell. You saw Jerusalem, you saw Tel Aviv. You can see that we are still survived, we're still alive, we're still kicking, and gosh, I'm sweating. This is the beginning of summer according to the Israeli calendar, and guys, I can feel it. Then thank you very much for, oh look at them, exercising in the worst time of the day. Gym, outdoor gym, well, even indoor gym is not for me. Then thank you very much for being with me. See you, and just write me a comment, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.